Exam Rabbit Score Gallery. The Exam Rabbit Score Gallery serves as proof and testimony of the team's expertise, showcasing their success in solving over 7,000 exams in the past 5 years. This gallery highlights the skills and legitimacy of Exam Rabbit, demonstrating their proven ability to bypass all proctored software securely and consistently deliver A-grade results for your exams. Payment. Team Exam Rabbit never asks for upfront payment from students, as they are 200% confident in their expertise. Unlike scammers, they solve your exam first. Once the exam is completed to your satisfaction, you can make payment through secure methods such as credit cards, debit cards, or other multiple payment options. Bypass method. Team Exam Rabbit takes full responsibility for ensuring the security and privacy of students. They employ 200% safe and secure methods to bypass proctored software, using techniques that are completely undetectable. Unlike inexperienced individuals who rely on risky remote applications and risk detection, Exam Rabbit provides superior expertise in assisting students with their proctored exams using 100% undetectable methods. This is the supremacy of Exam Rabbit's commitment to excellence in bypassing all proctored softwares. Pricing. Exam Rabbit offers the most competitive and affordable pricing tailored for students. With a no upfront payment policy, budget-friendly rates, excellent results, and secure bypass methods, Exam Rabbit has proven itself as the #1 choice for students seeking assistance with their online exams. To get help from exam takers and bypass technicians of Team Exam Rabbit Help, simply contact them at examrabbithelp@gmail.com or check the description of this video to fill out their exam help request form. You will get assistance within 30 minutes of your contact.
5. Hacks to cheat the Respondus lockdown browser. Introduction. Respondus lockdown browser is designed to prevent cheating during online exams by restricting access to unauthorized resources and monitoring student activity. Let's discuss 5 hacks to bypass Respondus lockdown browser. Using virtual machines VMs. Claim. Running lockdown browser inside a virtual machine allows users to access other applications and resources outside the virtual environment. Reality. Respondus lockdown browser detects virtual machine environments and immediately blocks access, terminating the exam session. 2. Screen mirroring or casting. Claim. Students claim they can use screen mirroring or casting tools to display their exam screen on another device for external help. Reality. Lockdown browser disables screen sharing software and monitors network activity, flagging unauthorized connections for review. 3. Secondary devices for assistance. Claim. Using a hidden phone, tablet, or smartwatch to search for answers or communicate with someone outside the testing environment. Reality. Respondus monitor detects eye movement and body language deviations, flagging suspicious behavior like frequent glances away from the screen. 4. Pre-recorded webcam feeds. Claim. Students use pre-recorded webcam videos or images to simulate their presence during the exam. Reality. Lockdown browser's Respondus monitor uses AI-driven facial recognition to detect anomalies in webcam feeds and flag such attempts. 5. Remote assistance through remote desktop software. Claim. Connecting to the computer running lockdown browser via remote desktop software to allow external help during the test. Reality. Lockdown browser disables remote desktop tools and logs any unauthorized network connections for instructor review. If these hacks are working and effective, advanced detection tools. Respondus lockdown browser continuously updates its security features, making most hacks ineffective over time. 2. Instructor oversight. Any suspicious activities flagged by the browser are reviewed by instructors, ensuring dishonest behavior is identified. 3. Severe consequences. Just as you can't build a house or fly an airplane on your own, you can't successfully cheat on an exam alone either. An inexperienced individual attempting it solo is likely to encounter technical challenges and get caught. To avoid this, you need to hire a team of skilled exam experts and bypass technicians from Exam Rabbit Help. They specialize in this field and are available 24/7 to assist students with their exams. Conclusion. Instead, hire a team of Exam Rabbit Help to take this exam for you, as they have a professional team of experienced exam bypass technicians and genius exam takers. Simply contact them at examrabbithelp@gmail.com and pass your exam with an excellent score. There is a zero risk of being caught while using assistance of Exam Rabbit Help, as they are solving multiple exams on daily basis for last 7 years.